Legit. Hindi ko na sakay mga bata dyan ah. Thank God, no rain today.
Pizza time!
Oh, look at the bird. Also shopping inside the mall. Look at the bird, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh.
In aviation, we call that fawn. Foreign object.
They are also want to be in the air condition. Nice. Let's go. They have a Disney store here. Outrageous expensive. Mga karakter, you know, princesses. Tingin tayo. You experience that the jeep. Filtered ganda, no? Ooh, bucket seafood. Before flight tomorrow, let's enjoy this yummy, yummy, yummy. Sarap. Oh, my sweet. Ang sarap bumiyahe. It's very nice to travel on a holiday day. There is not a lot of passengers. That's very nice, right? Happy New Year! Nasa biyahe. Happy New Year, world! Travel tip. When you're traveling, not all airline has the same kind of service. There is some that you may not like. There is also some that you may really like. So this one, I kind of like Philippine Air. Only thing is that they only allow one check-in luggage and a 7 pound of hand carry. That's why we're gonna have to be mindful of traveling, that you cannot really expect or get what you expect in each airline company. The thing is that they have different kind of service. You just get lucky if they give you a good service when you're flying. So airline, we cannot determine which airline do a good service, because yes, you may say, oh, Philippine Airline is a good one. Not really, because when you get to the plane, it's a different people that will serve you. So this one we will find out. I've been traveling for so many years, and this is the first time I saw the plane is almost empty. I think majority of them, because it's holiday. It's Christmas, it's a new year. December 31st. See? No chair. Maraming bakanting upuan. Yeah.
For your information, there's no time difference between here and Manila. We care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times.
Flying
as
on
we experience
December 31st,
unexpected
New
turbulence
Year
during the flight.
Eve. We're gonna be on the air.
We will update you with the latest arrival.
It's good to travel
information as
like
we
this,
get
you know
closer
why?
to landing
There's
time.
not much
Thank you for flying Philippine
passenger.
Airlines, the heart
Almost
of the
empty.
Filipino. Mabuhay.
It's good.
Attention ground staff, we shall be closing the cabin doors. Ladies and gentlemen, take your
See?
assigned seats now and fasten your seatbelts.
Empty. Oh, there's so many empty chairs. Dito sa plane, lahat ng airplane merong ganito. Flat. Tapos gusto mong matulog, gaganyan mo siya. Yan. Diba? Tapos meron pang yung TV, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Pero andyan naman lahat. Ito yung seat number, power, volume, brightness, ano, dialect mo, ayan, the English. Yan, mamili ka na ng movie dyan. Kung anong gusto mong panuorin. O, English, ayan. Okay. Subtitle, gusto mo? No? Okay, dilagay mo na. Ayan na, naka-play na siya. Ganyan ba kasimple lang. Tapos, meron naman ditong blanket. Mayroon siyang headphone. Tapos kung nahihilo ka at masusuka ka, meron naman ditong bag para sa masumuka ka. Ayan o. Bag yan, ha? Para pang suka yan. Kung gusto mo sumuka. Information, travel safe. Easy to connect. Meron silang wifi. Yan o. Connect mo kung gusto mong wifi, may bayad. Hindi siya libre. Asawa ko nanonood na ng movie. Oh, ganun lang. Diba? Simple lang naman. Tapos yung bagahe dapat nasa ilalim na. Diyan. At doon sa over compartment sa taas. Ganun lang kasimple. First meal namin. First meal. Aming unang meal sa Philippine Airlines. Nasarap, diba? Tara na. Andito kami sa sa Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo, Japan. We are in Tokyo. You're traveling close to holiday, like example New Year and Christmas Day. It's very nice. It's not a lot of people traveling. And also one clue, for the 45 years in America, I've been traveling so many times. This is the first time I used Japan Airline. Awesome. I love to be around with Japanese people. So much respect. Very good people. Clean. Awesome. Welcome to Japan. Welcome to Japan. Oh, ayan na. Welcome to Japan. Ready? We're looking for international transfer. So, linya. Oh, that's it? We are in 3rd floor. We use the elevator. Ito na, naghahanap na kami ng gate number. Lahat ng lugar kakaiba. Oh, yung bracelet ko, oh. Adamo arigato. Yan lang ang alam ko. Gozaimasu. We will keep continue. They have a laptop station here. We found our gate. It's in the bottom of this gate, see? So we don't have to walk farther. Alright, let me check it. We don't have to come down. You don't have to come down. Let me look. So we're gonna keep looking for food. Okay, so this is our gate. That's our gate down below. Alright, so, oh, there's food over there. Maybe there is a food restaurant down there. Huh? Oh, look. Oi! I'm not going there. Atrasid na. Hindi pwede doon yung cart. Hindi pwede doon yung cart. So dito na lang ako. Habulin ko na lang siya. Massage daw siya. Magmamassage daw siya. Ayan, oh. May massage machine. Daddy, this is a good seat. Kaya lang kakain kami. Hindi sila crowded, no? Napaka-organized ng Japan. Napaka-organized. Magugulat kayo sa sobrang organized. It's a very organized country. You wanna have a massage? Ito ang massage machine nila. Ayan. Massage machine. 10 minutes. 300 yen. $300, 10 minutes. Let's go eat first. My belly needs food. Yan ang nabili ko. Ang dami kong nabili. Kaloka. Mabot ng 200. Masarap mamili. Kaloka. Oh, ang daming mabibili. Ang dami kong nabili. Oh, diba? Mag-i-enjoy kayo. Wow. Ay, babalik ako. Bibili pa ako ng cookies. Ito pala yun. Ito pala yun. Ay, baka naman masira. Pauwi na ako. Ay, baka masira. Oh my God. Gusto ko itong bilhin. Teka, bili tayo dito ng cheesecake. Ay, meron na yung asawa ko. Ang haba pa ng pila. Matagal pa naman kami aalis. Ito ang binili ko. Yan. Milk collection. Yan ang binili ko, ha? Tandaan nyo, ha? Kung ano binili ko, ha?
Chocolate satu masih bisa.
Milk collection. Dami. Naku, bibili ako dito. Kailangan meron akong sombrero. Ay, Tokyo! Ano pang sunod? Japan! Dali, tingin tayo ng iba pa. Yun lang eh. O, diba? Kuha tayo ng isa. Tag-isa kami ng asawa ko. Yan, ha? Bili tayo niyan. O, ano pa ang ating kukunin dito? Ang dami ko nang nagastos Ang dami kaya mabibili. Ano ba ang binili ko? Ano sa palagay nyo ang nabili ko? Ha? Ito ba ang nabili ko? Yan ba? O ito? Ay, ang sarap niyan. Ayan ang mga nabili ko. Ang dami. Isa-isahin ko na lang mamaya. Ayan. Souvenir. Sa tiyan ko. Tsaka yan. Ito, nabili ko. Napuno yung aking hand carry, patay. Ang daming makakain kasi. Tapos, Godiva ng Tokyo, oh. Uy, sarap. Wala tayong magawa. Minsan lang tayo dito napapadaan.
Oh, sorry. $68.
Ayan, ang aking pera. Oh, ano yan? Magkano yan? Oh, mayroon akong yen. Meron akong yen na nakuha. Oh. 5,000, 10,000. 1,000. I have a yen. Ayan, dyan kami sa Japan, Tokyo.